We're gonna check out Taeyang's Quintessence album. 10 songs in total. Got the English lyrics right here. I don't know how good it is. Also, I got chat right here as well. They talking. They talk too much sometimes.
You get your fucking hands off me.
But that's only if you're here on Twitch, which you should be joining me anyways. Taeyang, bad. Let's go. Okay. Well, hold on. Damn. He went in strong. He went in hard. Pause. That's not what I. That's not what I meant. That's not exactly what I meant. Don't even judge me like that. Don't judge me like that. Let's start this over.
Criminal offensive side.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Let's just go. Let's get in the beginning. Woo. Never saw the soul. Hold up. You a bad boy? When the hell did you? When the hell were you a bad boy, Taeyang? When the hell were you a bad boy? I have never in my life ever heard that you were a bad boy. You literally made a song called "I Am a Good Boy." Let's talk about it because it is very like modern. Ooh. Okay. I'm the sun, I am the rain. I'm so being perfect, and I'm gonna still remain. Ooh, I like this breakdown right here. Ooh, the piano. Ooh, a bad boy. What is it? I earn your envy and jealousy. You earn a beating? Damn, who we beating up? I'll help you beat up somebody. Don't worry, I got you. I'll jump somebody for you, Taeyang. No breaks. I'm gonna change up the whole frame. Okay. Ooh, this in the car will be go crazy. Okay. They're trying to play me, but I'm not a game. Oh, he just says game like that? Ooh. Ooh, what is this ending? Ooh. She knows. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, hold up, Taeyang. Hold up. I kind of mess with. I can see why you put this in the beginning. It's for like today's generation, kind of like, you know, I could do this in the modern way too. I see you, King. I see you, King. Not sure if it's my favorite yet, but definitely is a good start. Live fast, die slow. It's interesting. You went from bad, that sound, and then I already heard live fast, die slow already, and that's such a different type of sound. Interesting. Saying I earned your envy is crazy, though. I'm still in that. I earned your envy. Dang. Okay. Taeyang talking this shit. All right. Next up is Live Fast, Die Slow. I already reacted to the music video. If you haven't checked it out on YouTube, go check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. Song-wise, I haven't been able to dive deep, and the only way I can like dive deep into a song, if I really like it or not, is just to hear it with no visual. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes the visual sells the song sometimes, especially in the K-pop world or in the music world in general. So let's hear it without any visuals. That's what I want. Though it does sound like the beginning sounds like a Taeyang song. It's like very open. Is that the word? I did like he said, I am me, call me Big Bang. Damn. Why the gunshot? Oh, because it was a race. Very retro sounding too. Big Bang! I'm still amazed the way he says this part right here. It like, I think this verse, he says it so fast to me. And it kind of threw me off in the beginning if you saw it. The reaction, yeah. Got me wanting a white girl dance. I like this part too. I want it all. He still looks good too, man. He ripped as hell. I might bleach my hair because of you, Taeyang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, what you waiting for? It's fast, start slow. Okay, let's go. I want it all. I want it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Live fast, start slow. Okay, let's go. I want it all. I want it all. And this is the part where I thought it was like almost Weekend kind of ish that they used in the trailer. I think he really wanted to do the retro 80s vibe too. Even though the music video doesn't give it really that. The music video itself is it's a different type of like explanation of like being in a race. Like it was like people in the office and they were racing, like him with like looking at himself through like a mirror kind of thing. The whole knives being thrown at him. It's quite interesting. That's why I want to hear the audio without the music video. And to be honest, without the music video, it's pretty simple too, like the lyrics wise. I mean, obviously there's not innuendos, but like inner meaning, which I will go through in a bit, probably on my own time. But pretty solid. Is it my favorite song at the moment? I'm not sure at all. I still like Bad more. I think Bad just hits different. Let me hear Bad one more time. The way it starts almost feels like a Drake beat. Does she love me? Does she love me? Hey. Right now I'm using this I don't know how accurate this translation is, but I'm just trying to get. Oh, this is the one with Tarzan and Wuchan from ADP. Would you hold me down? Would you walk away? Would you ride or die only by my side at the edge of the universe? I only need you. Would you switch up on me? Would you stay the same?
Hello, princess.
Who we talking about? Right here? Let's check out Would You. Yeah, ADP, all day project? Yeah. This sounds retro as well.
Would you hold me down? Would you walk away?
Oh.
Would you write it down? You make a tale.
Okay.
Would you make a tale? 너만 있으면 돼.
The chorus itself, the beginning chorus at least, this part.
Would you switch up?
This is the chorus, right?
Would you stay?
They used in the beginning? Well, we'll find out.
If the sky was falling and the rain was pouring,
like how they're flowing right now. Oh no, this might be the chorus. No, this is the chorus. This is pre-chorus right here.
When you're by my side, you're by my side. Baby, I can't let you go. I don't wanna run, I don't wanna hide. Baby, I just gotta know. Would you hold me down? Would you walk away? Would you run it down?
I like the flow of this. This feels nostalgic as well, like all of some like retro stuff. Let's see how this part goes too. I'm not sure who's who. Was the first part Tarzan?
When the clouds are clashing and the lightning's flashing, don't mark to the one way, and the shit I'm passing. Would you be able to arise me from the ashes? Would you be stable if you knew that I was crashing?
Good job. The first part is Tarzan, and now it's Wu Chen. That's all I thought. Okay, thank you so much for the clarification.
Baby, I just gotta know. Would you hold me down? Would you walk away?
Why does it feel like an ending of a like, not a K-drama, but like a movie? You know what I'm saying? Like they could use this in like some films. Damn, this is. It feel okay. This went by faster, even though it's a 3-minute song, right? Or was that me? These are all like mostly 3 minutes. Movie is 1:15. God dang. Why does it feel like I pictured this like whole thing like it's in like I'm watching like a prom, right? Like in the movie, and they're like dancing together, and then wait, like there you just see two, like a girl and a boy or whatever, they're just dancing together, but that girl has feelings for another boy who's watching on the side with a like a cup, just drinking like the fruit punch, just watching his girl dance. Like imagine like imagine you see the vision, like you see it, and then he's watching his girl that he likes dance with another man, and then she keeps on looking, like darting back at him, knowing that she's staring at him, even though he came with the guy who's like way more popular than the guy that's watching. Bro, I'm a genius. Come on, cinematic shit. Cinematic stick shit. All right, let's check out movie. Let's check out movie.
I can't deny it. 불켜질 땐 아쉬워. Let's never say it.
Oh.
Black and white 세상과 달리. But it's 장면 하나 없지.
Okay.
Dancing in Paris.
Ooh. Hey. Wait. That's sequel. If you let me, baby, let me wait, this got fire. Hey, we need a petition to make this a longer one, bro. Oh, why is it only like near 2 minutes only? Okay, why is it so short, Taeyang, bro? What? Why are we making this short? Movie's a trip. I like it. Ooh. Kissing on the Paris. Every night I love you like a woo. Every night I love you like a movie. Damn. That's fire. That's actually fire. Def be adding this one on the playlist. 150 a minute 50 songs should be illegal. Facts. That should be a petition. Requirements 2 minutes and 30. Like 2 minutes and 30. Damn. Is Open Up yeah, okay. I knew it was Kid Laroi based on the beat. All right, let's check out Open Up. You think this is gonna get a music video? Hold up, that beat kind of nasty. I'm not gonna lie.
He wasn't ready.
That beat kind of nasty. That beat kind of nasty.
Baby, when you call me, I'll be right there for you.
Ooh. Okay, okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, you kinda cooking. Ooh. Hey, true. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. I'm your fan. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Clap that asshole. Come on. Ooh. I mean, not hoe, lady.
I know that's right.
Oh. Ooh. It's real scratching the itches in my brain too. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. This is Kid Laroi. Woo! Hey, hey! Okay. Hey, hey, hey. Open up to me, yeah. Hold up. That is fire for real. Holy shit. That deserves freaking claps. It's not even done yet. This is one of my favorite songs already. Open up to me, yeah. Tell me the truth. Bro, wait a second. Ooh, did I kill that? Damn! That's a great song. I like that. That's a solid ass song right there. This shit go hard.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Playing that one more time. Playing that one more time.
Baby, when you call me, I'll be right there for you.
Hey, 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 3, 2, 1, get it. Do your dance, hey, hey. I'm your fan, I'm your fan. It's a hit, it's a hit. Come on, Taeyang. Open up to me, yeah. Give me another one of those for real. Shit. me go back. Be prepared for love like this. Shut your ass up. Why would you tell me that? Why would you tell me that? All right, love like this. Let's get it. Hold up. What we doing here? What we doing with this type of music? Body roll? God damn, Taeyang, you gotta put up on that making bread type shit, baby making love type shit, under the covers type shit, always wear a rubber type shit. 9 months later type shit is hilarious. 9 months later type shit. Hold on. Go back. I need it, I don't want it. Ooh. Show me who.
He wasn't ready.
Prepare for love like this? Shut your ass up.
You can't be just saying it. You can't be just you're not even just saying, you singing that into my ears. You can't just be doing that to us, Taeyang. You can't just be doing that to us.
Like this, love like this. 기다려와 some love like this. 혼자일 거야 너 아닌 끝까지.
Until the very end.
기다릴 거야 love like this.
Girl, he trying to make another baby. He trying to make another baby.
나만 긴 시간 기다릴래. I know you're the one.
Literally, you know how extra Taeyang is. You saw his weapon where he like dancing and he kept on singing to like his wife. He probably be like, he could have just said like to his wife like, hey, I'm thinking about like, let's have another child, like let's plan this out. But no, he extra as hell. He actually just made a whole ass song just to tell his wife like, hey, you down for like another child? Imagine. God damn. What's up, say Joe?
Somebody just like
I mean, tell Jay. Nah! No way we get it. No way we get Omarion era Taeyang right now. No way we get old school Big Bang Taeyang right now. No way we get Fool's Tears Taeyang right now.
Perfect.
Bitch, that sound, bro, he we are though. What the fuck?
You, cause you know what I feel like. 네 앞에서 no joke, this is real life. No way 여자들이 내게 뭘 해도 너를 위해 내가 아껴둔 4 letters. Believe me, you got it. Believe in me, I'll try. Tell me if I'm lying.
You ain't lying, Taeyang.
Like this, love like this. 기다렸어 love like this. 기다려왔어 love like this.
You better.
Like this. It's you. It's you, babe.
Not singing through the phone. Nah, he making me feel like I'm his baby's mama.
That brother's starving.
And I'm in prison.
What did he say?
You know what I'm saying? This is how I'm visioning. And he's just singing through my collect call. Oh shit! I am teary-eyed. I'm in happy tears, bitch. Hands down, this is my favorite song. Love Like This. Okay, hold up. It's gonna be Bad, maybe, Movie, Open Up, Love Like This.
기다려왔어 love like this love like this 기다려왔어 love like this
Bro, when he started rapping,
feel you cause you know what I feel like 네 앞에서 no joke this is real life no way 여자들이 내게 뭘 해도 너를 위해 내가 아껴둔 four letters
bro, he brought out Big Bang Taeyang, like old school Big Bang Taeyang right there, bro.
real life no way 여자들이 내게 뭘 해도 너를 위해 내가 아껴둔 four letters believe in me you got it believe in me I try tell me if I'm lying 너도 기다렸잖아 love like this
Alright, I need to move on. Let's go to yes. Yes, unanswered text. What are we doing? Oh, hell no, I'm not ready for this either, huh?
대답 없는 text cause I've been too far 시간이 걸리더라도
Oh my fucking god.
나는 기다릴게
Here we go.
You take all I have this ain't a test Baby 여긴 도쿄 불을 맞추면 스쳐 이선 Ready know what's in store 하던 대로만
Bro, I'm like tearing up. Why? Not one reason, because one reason is because I've been waiting for Taeyang's solo album. Second reason why I'm tearing up, it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted these type of songs, motherfucker. Sorry for calling you a motherfucker, but I'm trying to express how I feel. I got so much surge in me. Anyways, come on, let's go. Let's continue.
해줘 I'll let you break my heart again and again 서툰 너의 yes 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 익숙한 너의 yes yes
Are these the songs that Pablo was it Paul Blanco? Is that his name? Is that the one? Are these the songs that he wrote with him? Cause that would make more sense. Hold up, I need to do some research, y'all. I need to do some research. Hold up, I'm doing some research right now. Hold up. Hello? Search! No results found for Taeyang, you bitch! Oh my god, don't fuck with me, Spotify. Don't fuck with me right now. Come on. Come on. Load up. Load up. Spotify, I'm gonna talk to you later, Spotify. Hold up. Let me go to, like, does it say here? Okay, that's all I need. It says Paul Blanco. See, there we go. This is all I wanted it to see. This is all I wanted. Paul Blanco. I knew it. That motherfucker knows how to make R&B music. I'm just letting you know.
text cause I've been too far 시간이 걸리더라도 나는 기다릴게 You can take all I have This ain't a test Baby 여긴 도쿄 불을 맞추면 스쳐 이선 Ready know what's in store 하던 대로만 해줘
Hey.
I'll let you break my heart again and again
Break my heart again?
서툰 너의 yes 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 yes
Cause this voice right here is Paul Blanco. I can hear it.
yes 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 yes
He needs some praise, bro. He been making songs. He knows how to sing.
해줄 때 kiss me in French Je t'aime 우리의 language 눈빛이 다 말하지 what you want 임장에 너라는 줘 call me up and I'm there
I love it.
정말 다른 tier I just touched down your city Baby come get some more 이건 맞추면 잡은 이 손 I already know what's in store 너의 맘이 가는 대로 I'll let you break my heart again and again 서툰 너의 yes 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 익숙한 너의 yes 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 yes
Break it down like. What are we breaking down? hard. Okay, wait. That's what I thought I heard. They sampled Lollipop from Big Bang, no? Did they sample Lollipop from Big Bang? They sampled Lollipop. Stop, bro. You plucking my heart. Strings.
Drop it low, I'm tryna hear you, yes. I'm out of baby, damn me, yes. Top of the building, 당연하지, yes. Lolly,
Yeah. Oh, hey. Yeah. Damn. Okay. Now is next. Yes and now. Let's see it. Who wrote now? Antonio. Whoa.
No, I can't wait till tomorrow. No, I got a feeling there right now in this moment.
Ooh, I like the start of this.
Let me show it. Hey, baby, you shine, you bring out my sight. Ooh, don't turn off the lights. Ooh, 저절로 돌아가고 딴 생각은 못해 그건 무리해. 나 못 참아 give me all of it. 해가 뜨기 전에 너를 안을래. Ooh, you ignite by the time. 술 없이 don't lose my mind. 기다릴 수 없어 난. Take your time, decide right now. Right now. Got something for you. Right now. Wanna get to know you. Right now. Baby, let's get closer. Right now. Right now.
Ooh. Oh, interesting that he's checking this on. This type of like vibe. Now. Interesting. The background noise, not the instrument, but like the chanting. It's interesting. Oh, there's a vibe too. I like the change up of the album right here. Hey, day, chemistry. Uh-oh. Woo! Right now. God damn. Right now. Even this with a music video will be fire. Like a performance video too. The beat itself is so good too. Who wrote on this beat too? Producer, tag, mixing engineer, composer. Damn, a lot of composers. Now, okay, wait. This album heat. Someone said that it was written by Paulo Blanco as well. And Tablo. Is Tablo featuring on this? Or no?
One day there will be silence. No one's screaming.
I need water.
No more lights, golden diamonds.
Wait.
No more sun, only rain.
Golden Dimes like GD?
Raise your glass for me tonight. 언젠가 떠나야 할 때 미소 지어줄게. My love, don't you cry.
I like the production in this.
꺼져도 우리 이야긴 endless. Life is the game. 우린 Hall of Fame. When it comes to love, 심장이 멈추고 눈을 감으면 차가운 세상 다 두고 떠날 때 우릴 부를 땐 사람들 말해 the greatest of all. My love, don't you cry.
I love the build of the song, how it gradually goes. Nothing really peaking, just like flowing.
In heaven, it's 'cause we set it on fire. 세상 끝에도 어둠 속에도 별은 지지 않아. Oh, 우리만의 red carpet, we're the greatest of all time.
All right, so I came across somebody like I was like on Threads, the Instagram version of Twitter. Follow me on Threads. Supposedly these are like references to Big Bang. It's not official. No one really explained it, or I don't know. You could tell me if I'm wrong. Like, supposedly one day there will be silence. It's like because Daesung is loud. No more lights. Golden Diamonds is G-Dragon. Sun is Taeyang. And glass, because like Top always has a glass in his hand, like a wine glass. It could be to Big Bang and his wife. That's true. That's true. Finally on the last song. 10 songs for this album, chat. 10 songs. This is called For You. Let's just move into it, shall we? Who wrote this? Wildberry Whitmore.
시간의 경계선을 넘어서 영원을 너와 그리고 싶어. 이 순간을 간직해줘 my love. Let me paint this song for you.
For you.
For you. Time and space 시작의 끝에 너와 함께 꿈을 꾸게 돼. 마지막이라는 말 없어. Never say goodbye. 깊숙하게 pain 상처는 이제
Very retro sounding kind of song too again.
다 잊기로 해. 거짓말로 가득한 세상에 say goodbye. 네 눈물이 다 마르고 나면 기다렸던 미래 현실이 돼. 눈앞에 다가와 있어 my love. Look how it glows for you. 우리의 선택은 별들이 돼. 또 다른 누군가를 비추면
This is nice.
그곳을 향해 이끌고 있어. Look how it goes. Time and space 시작의 끝에 너와 함께 꿈을 꾸게 돼.
The production in this is really good too. Very floaty, trippy.
Never say goodbye. 깊숙하게 pain 상처는 이제 나와 함께 다 잊기로 해. 거짓말로 가득한 세상에 say goodbye.
It's about to get like dirty, like the sound, like more Oh no, it isn't. It's just guitar. Wow. And that's the end of Quintessence. Quintessence. Did I say that right? If I had to pick, pretty solid album. 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. 9 out of 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Maybe 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10, 10 out of 10. No, 9, 9. I'll give it a 9. And that's coming from like a fan as well. I think Live Fast, Die Slow is interesting of a choice to push the album. Not that it's a bad thing. It's interesting, but I think it's a smart choice as well. From him or whoever did that. Obviously, movie is so short, and I kind of like. I can see why people were mad. Would You was actually pretty good. It's a vibe, even though because it starts with Bad, and Bad is such a like modern, like Taeyang in the modern world. Damn, that shit go hard. Then goes to Live Fast, Die Slow. Right after that, it goes back. It goes from hype, welcome to the album, to like Live Fast, Die Slow, which is not really a slower song. It's slower than Bad, based BPM wise, I think, right? Then it goes to Would You, which is a vibe. I can enjoy this. It feels nostalgic almost too, like in the movie I love, but also pisses me off that how short it is. Real talk. Fire. Then to open up, damn. Beat's crazy too. Yeah. To Love Like This. To Yes. Only thing I think the him saying yes is pretty repetitive, but that's fine. Ooh, I love the setup of it too. Love that. Now is really good too. Woo.
Now I got a feeling there right now in this moment. 숨길 수 없을 것 같아. Let me show it. Hey, baby, you shine, you burn out my sight. Ooh, don't turn off the lights. Ooh, 저절로 돌아가고겠단 생각은 못해 그건 무리.
Damn, they need a music video for this one. I feel like this needs a music video. I mean, the whole thing does, but am I asking too much? Interesting.
Baby, let's get closer right now. I won't let go of this moment right now.
Yeah, and then go very like I think Lux said like it felt like Grease kind of song. like an old school like slow dance to. And For You was very beautiful. Interesting way to end it. It's just interesting that he had Live Fast, Die Slow, and Would You. It's not that it's like out of place or bad at all. I like them both. They're both different. It kind of gives more of a different like feeling to the album as well. So it's beautiful, but it's quite interesting, the arrangement. But there's a reason. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that was my first listen to Taeyang's Quintessence. Did I say that right? Yup. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. We'll definitely be bumping a lot of these songs on repeat, especially the middle. Movie to Now are gonna probably be on repeat, and probably my 26 songs 2026. All of these songs are probably gonna be in it. Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this first listen. Thank you guys for watching. If you're watching this on Patreon, thank you for watching. It's probably gonna be less editing on Patreon. There's gonna be more editing on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Do you favorite? No, like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share it with your friends and Taeyang if you want to. I'm just saying. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next first listen. Peace.